Okay, so today we're having a look at the MagSafe charger. So it will charge any iPhone 12 ranging from Pro to Mini to normal one and use that magnetic alignment. However, if you want to use it on your previous model, so anything from the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10, you can have Qi charging, but it will charge at a slower rate. Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. So let's get straight to it. The MagSafe charger has an illustration of the charger itself on the front of the box. If we quickly turn it around, so it says what is included, USB-C on one end and the charger being connected by the magnetic alignment on the back, and it also has a picture of the USB-C power brick, which surprise is not included. So if we just pull on the green tab and then make sure it's gone all the way across, and then we have access to the internal contents of the box. So pull on the tab and then there is a hell of a lot of paperwork. Okay, paperwork, and you know what we do with paperwork. So designed by Apple in California, we have a look at it, right, and quick blitz through and then dash it to one side. That's pretty much what we do with paperwork, and that's what all tech channels do, so I'll be keeping up with tradition. So if we quickly get back to the main attraction of the show, designed by Apple in California, open up the booklet style packaging, and you can see we have the cable coiled up on the left and the magnetic charger on the right. So if we quickly open that up, it has the USB-C charging end, and then we have the actual charger itself. Very nice, hefty in weight, feels significant and solid to hold. So if we have a look in the middle, we can see there is a rubberized texture. Now that's actually quite good because the magnet is quite strong, and if you have your iPhone without a case, then there is a potential of damaging the back of your iPhone. At the moment, my only negative thought is how long will the rubberized texture last for. So if you use it for a prolonged amount of time, maybe it becomes a case of the rubber peeling off and you won't get any protection, and the back of your iPhone will have lots of scratches down the line. The magnet is actually extremely strong, so when you hover over the phone and then it aligns to the circular pad on each of the device, it will clasp into position, and there's no way you can take it off. Even if you lift it up, wiggle it about, it will still stay in position. After I use both hands to prise it open, then only when it unclasps. Okay, now I'm a little bit confused with this because I personally think the whole point of a wireless charging bay, it's easy accessibility. So you just put it on the pad, when it's done you lift it up. You can't do that with the MagSafe because it just sticks into position and you need two hands, as previously mentioned. Now I do understand from Apple's perspective, they probably thought, what happens if they would like to use it whilst consuming media or texting or browsing? But you can just do that with a normal cable, so it doesn't make sense either way. Alright, so now I'll be doing the same test, but this time with a Torres case. So I've done a video on this, the links will be available in the description box below. Right, so the good thing is, even when you have the case on, it does still retain its magnetic functionality, but it's not as strong. And I think that's a perfect balance, because when you need to charge it, it does align with the magnets, but when you need to take it off, a bit of jiggling is required, but it will come off a lot easier than compared to your iPhone without a case. Also, if you have a case on, you're less likely to scratch the back of your phone. So I've done a quick test without the case and with the case on the iPhone 12 Pro with the MagSafe charger. I left it for around 11 minutes and then the results are quite similar, so they were only out by 1%. Now surprising, on the one with the case it actually charged 1% more, but bear in mind that could be due to my error, but I did try to make it as fair as possible. So you won't lose any sort of charging speed if you do have a third-party case on. Overall, I have mixed opinions. I mean, I don't really like the fact it costs £39, and I do have the fear that over time the rubberized texture will come off and it will start scratching the back of the phone. But apart from that, if you want the convenience of a wireless charger, then it's something you can potentially look at. But personally, I'll just stick with a 20-watt brick and then charge it normally. Alright guys, so that was a quick video on the MagSafe charger. If you have any questions, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. And if you want more tech videos, or if you think I'm okay at what I do hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, take care, peace.